Welcome to my Cooking No Rules channel. Today we will be making homemade hot chocolate. This is my mom's recipe. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon light brown sugar, 2 pieces dark chocolate, half spoon coffee powder, 1 spoon cocoa powder, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons homemade chocolate syrup, 1 cup double cream. Next, add the milk. Heat up the saucepan at medium heat. Then add cream. Mix them up well. Next, add light brown sugar. Next, add cocoa powder. Mix them up well. Put both coffee powder and 2 pieces dark chocolate together. Mix them up until all dissolved. Then add 2 tablespoons of homemade chocolate syrup. Keep stirring until they are dissolved. Maintain at medium heat. Keep mixing well. Beat up the milk until the cocoa powder gets dissolved into the milk. Keep doing that for around 2 to 3 minutes. Use the whisk and scrape around the cocoa powder so it doesn't get burnt or caramelized. Maintain the heat at medium level, or else it will get burnt. If you keep it in low, it will not get heated up very good. If you keep it in high, it will get burnt up. So please keep it in medium level. Keep stirring until the milk comes to a very clean texture. Before turning off the flame, add the vanilla bean paste. keep stirring. Now add the vanilla bean paste. Mix well. The vanilla bean paste enhances the chocolate flavor, which gives a brilliant taste. You'll really enjoy it. Now turn off the flame. Now pour it onto your cups. This will serve for 1 to 2 cups. Now enjoy, and like and subscribe and comment down below your feedback and share your love with us and to others. Thank you. See you in our next video.